Hello guys, I am going to take it off the flywheel nut right here. Then I using a 24 socket. 24 socket. Let's do it. How is it look? I need to tied up the flywheel. So go find something tool. I find the tool, then I use in the towel. Otherwise, flywheel gonna be cracked. So I use the towel with the tool. Always we have to tie it up with the this side. This side is more space. This side is so tiny. So I use this side. Alright guys, finally I got the flywheel nut. It's not very hard, it's so easy. Take it off the flywheel nut. Alright, cup and nut, so easy. Supply wheels, so it's a second project. A little bit complicated to take it off the flywheel. Let's do it. Okay, I need the hammer.